Let us discuss dispersion through individual water drop. Observe the figure. The rays of sunlight enter the drop near its top surface. At this first refraction, the white light is dispersed into its spectrum of colors. Violet being deviated the most, red the least. Reaching the opposite side of the drop, each color is reflected back into the drop because of total internal reflection. Arriving the surface of the drop again, each color refracts into the air. At the second refraction, the angle between the violet and red is further increases when compared to the angle between those at first refraction. The angle between the incoming and outgoing rays can be anything between 0 degrees to 42 degrees. We observe bright rainbow when the angle between incoming and outgoing rays is near the maximum angle of 42 degrees. Although each drop disperses a full spectrum of colors, an observer is in a position to see only a single color from any one drop depending upon its position. If violet light from a single drop reach the eye of an observer, red light from the same drop can't reach his eye. It goes elsewhere, possibly downwards of the eye of the observer as shown in figure. To see the red light, one must look at the top drop of rain in the sky. The color red will be seen when the angle between a beam of sunlight and light sent back by a drop is 42 degrees. The color violet is seen when the angle between a sunbeam of light sent back by a drop is 40 degrees. If you look at an angle between 40 and 42 degrees, you will observe the remaining colors of VIBGYOR. A rainbow is not a flat two-dimensional arc as it appears. The rainbow you see is actually a three-dimensional cone with the tip at your eye as shown in figure. All the drops that disperse the light towards you lie in the shape of cone with different layers. The outermost layer is red color and the innermost layer is violet color, and we have remaining colors in between these two layers.